Hiccups. Say hi, peoples. I have hiccups. Let's see that tummy. You're going to be on YouTube for hiccups. Yes, for nothing more than hiccups. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
You get her and Brian videotaped yesterday for YouTube.
I think I took some video of her and Brian. I only remember getting out
2 minutes yesterday. I can't remember what it was of.
I don't either. I remember having it out, but I don't remember what it was of.
Oh.
Are you just itching to roll over?
It's not gonna be long.
You gonna go somewhere? You going somewhere, huh? Yeah. Oh goodness, hiccups. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Hiccup. Poor poodle. Woof.
Goodness.
Goodness.
My gosh.
Doesn't it sound like it hurts?
Yeah, it should hurt.
It sounds awful. It just sounds awful.
Stay in and watch a movie. Press menu now for a complete list of dramas, comedies, and adult movies. There's always something new.
Those are with adjustable setting. What does this one do?
The Hilton family of hotels.
Like that.
No time for the movie theater.
Shooting with automatic setting.
Thrillers, comedy.
Full automatic shooting with simplified display.
Now, press menu.
Wouldn't change anything if you ask me. Focus and press shutter button.
Services for parental controls to block adult content. Welcome to the Hilton Garden Inn.
Focus is press